Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the last 18-wheeler accident liar. Okay guys, so this is an important thing to understand because as you know that yet only we are to concern is about the last 18 wheeler accident liar. Now for example we choose this one lawyer.com find legal. Now the last truck accident liar. This is a very good question to understand. An accident involving an 18-wheeler can forever change your life. Catastrophic injuries can leave you facing a long-term medical treatment while unable to work. The physical, emotional, and financial toll can be overwhelming. If you were injured in a truck accident caused by negligent driver, trucking company, or another party in the loss, you shouldn't have to face this burden alone. These last truck accident attorneys at Pilline Law can help you. With decades of experience and commitment to outstanding service, our attorneys are ready to step in immediately and help you in demand to fully fair compensation you deserve. Contact us for a free case in review. You don't pay your service or recover payment for you. Determining liability and seeking compensation after an accident involving two passenger vehicles can be challenging. तो वही देखो मैं सीपीएम मार के लिए वीडियो बना रहा हूँ कैसे बना रहा हूँ सीपीएम मार के लिए वीडियो बना रहा हूँ कैसे बना रहा हूँ To determine whether you have a valid personal injury claim, you will need to secure evidence showing that another party was negligent.
And you just shut up.
तो बस यूट्यूब वालों सुन लो मैं सीपीएम बार करूँगा इस चैनल पे अगर बैन कर सकते हो तो तुम्हारा बाप भी नहीं बैन कर सकता इस चैनल को ओके सो यू विल आल्सो हैव टू शो दैट यू वर इंजर्ड एंड सफर्ड लॉसेस एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ योर क्रैश दिस include is both economic and non-economic losses. Truck accident cases in the lesser more complex because of the unique nature of commercial motor vehicles and trucking and industry. Some of the reasons these cases are so complicated because of more severe injury losses. Bye.